Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today you are seeing me in this glowing Indian avatar, and this is the makeup tutorial that I have shot for you guys. It's a subtle smoky eye, and look at that shine with a ton of gold. So we are doing the makeup with fingers today because I just wanted to experiment. Like I wanted to see how precise I was with my fingers. So I am taking this Nykaa palette and I am taking a brown eyeshadow and smudging it into my crease line, and I'm repeating the same step on the other eye. This brown peachy shadow is beautiful. It gives me this defined socket look, and I am also blending it as much as I can. Now we are going to go for a darker brown tone, and we are going to put it on the lid area. So this is the darkest brown, and I'm putting it on the entire lid on both my eyes. And look at that pigment, it's beautiful. This is the drugstore makeup look, so guys, be happy about it. This is not going to burn a hole in your pocket. और अब मैं ये ब्राउन आई शेडो दूसरे आई पे भी फटाफट लगा लेती हूँ, एंड देन वी आर जस्ट डूइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टचअप थोड़ा पीच आई शेडो के साथ जो मैंने लगाया है पीच ब्राउन के साथ, और मैं उसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ अपने फिंगर्स यूज़ करके. Now I am taking a golden shimmer shadow and I'm putting it in the eyeball area. Like you can see, I'm creating a globe effect. Now that we have applied the gold color on the eyeball area, which is called the snow globe effect, and I am going to just blend this perfectly. Wow, look at that. It looks so pretty. I'm just giving it a finishing touch. I'm using this Tri Sugar palette and using this goldenish shade for as a highlighter here, and it looks so pretty. It enhances my eyebrows even further. Now I'm using a concealer on the under eye area and like all the required places. So can you? This is a light shade concealer because I don't have a lot of pigmentation going around these days, so I'm just using it to cover up. It's time to switch on your blending game, guys. Before we start blending, I am going to take this Hello Happy foundation from Benefit in the number 5, and I am using it to cover up my other leftover skin areas, that is the cheek and other areas. Also, I'm busy blending the concealer too at the same time. This is a quick technique, or not everybody would be interested, but I think it saves a lot of time for somebody like me who has lesser pigmentation or something. This works great, and I think you should try it out too. It just makes your makeup really quick, easy, and you don't have to keep wasting time again and again to just blend. So now I'm using this Tri Sugar concealer to highlight the required areas, and look at that beauty. This is in the shade number 12 if I'm not wrong. I'll mention all the products in the description, guys. Don't forget to check it out. Also, now again we are going to spend some time into blending, and yeah, that's it. I know. Being a makeup artist, I am blending it to perfection. I'm taking a lot of time to blend, but blending is key, guys. Now I'm using this brown kajal pencil from Wet n Wild, and I'm smudging it under my eyes. I like to have a brown effect. Like I really like, if I'm wearing like an Indian outfit, I should either have a black or a brown kajal. I really personally I love doing it. The kohl effect makes Indian eyes look So goddamn pretty, and I am just fulfilling that wish of mine by doing this. It's time to do a little powder effect. So I'm using this dry sugar banana powder to fix my under eyes and other required areas. I am using powder in a very less quantity because I'm not big on powder myself personally, because my skin type is already very dry. It's time I use my Tri Sugar palette, which includes the blusher, the contour, and the highlight. So we are going with the contour first. We are contouring our cheeks and our under jawline. Guys, what's wrong with my English? Like, I forgot. It's called jawline. So I'm contouring all the required areas, a little bit under the jawline quickly, and yeah, a little on the forehead, the temples, and that's all when it comes to contouring. A little bit on the nose too, on the sides, and yeah, that's about it. Now we are going to put a little bit of a highlighter. This is the goldenish highlighter that is in the palette itself. It's a beautiful palette, guys, and it fixes 3 jobs at the same time. So yeah, it's beautiful. I'm using the same highlighter on my cheeks. Look at that shine. So gorgeous, guys. You should definitely try it out. It's made for Indian skin tone. Now I'm using this big blush to get that flushy, glowy pink of cheeks, and I am loving the effect, guys. It's not too much, not too dark, like not too light. It's beautiful. It makes me look so damn pretty. Look at my dance. And now we are using the Maybelline Gloss Mascara to fix the beautiful lashes that God has given me. And yeah, we are just done with the mascara. Look at that dirty mascara face that I'm making. It's funny, but what do I do about it? Every one of us makes it. So now I'm using the empty mascara one to set my brows in place, because yeah, I like the effect that they create on your brows. And look at me and my detailing for mascara. Mascara is one product I cannot live by. I just love it. Now that we are done, I'm using this My Glam lipstick to fix my lips. I'm just dabbing it all over. I'm not smudging it. I'm not getting a proper color. I'm just dabbing it for the feel of it. So look at those pinky glowy lips. That's what I want. And now I'm going to top it up with a gloss like I always do. It's the same gloss on the back side of the lip color. And look at those shiny, luscious lips. My God. This My Glam combo is my favorite. One of my favorites. The nude one also I really like. So look at that. Look at the final result. It makes my lips look so pretty and full at the same time. And yeah, I've topped it a little bit, and we are done with this. Now I'm just touching it up a little, doing that little effect kind of thing. And yeah, that's about it. Now I'm finishing up with a setting spray, and that's all for the video, guys. Oh, I hope you guys love the final look the way I have. This is a NYX setting spray that I'm using. Here is the beautiful glowing final look. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. What do you think, guys? Isn't it gorgeous? Look at those shiny lips. Look at those shiny eyes. It is smoky, sultry, hot at the same time. And I love the way it looks with my sari. Just perfect for any Indian wedding. You guys should try this look out, and if you love it, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.